The UAE's first interplanetary spacecraft aims to make history at Mars. The mission, called HOPE or Emirates Mars Mission, is designed to spend one Martian year or about 2 Earth years. This is specialized in studying the Martian atmosphere. Mission HOPE that the spacecraft's result will teach the scientists something new about the Mars' past and present atmosphere, and this perhaps even help the humans to keep Earth's atmosphere from becoming its twin. UAE's Mars mission HOPE on verge of creating history with July 15th launch. The UAE's HOPE probe to Red Planet is scheduled to be launched from Japan's Tanegashima Space Center on July 15, 12:51 to 7 UAE time. I will tell you the time. It's July 15, 12:51 AM. The United Arab Emirates is on the verge of creating the history and joining the elite club of nations next week when it will launch its first ever mission to Mars. With the launch, the oil-rich Gulf nation will become the first country in the Arab world and the fifth in the world after the United States, India, former Soviet Union and European Space Agency to have successfully sent missions or orbit to the Mars. After 9 satellites and a man in space, this is the preparation for the spacecraft to send to Mars. The UAE, made up of 7 emirates including capital Abu Dhabi and Dubai, has 9 functioning satellites in orbit with plans to launch another 8 in coming years. In September, it sent the first Emirati into the space, who was the part of a 3 crew member. When the satellite reaches the Red Planet's orbit in 2021, it will be the first probe to give a full picture of Mars' atmosphere, offering a holistic view and how Mars' climate varies during the year. The satellite will study the connections between Mars' lower and upper atmosphere, and also it examines the cause of loss of hydrogen and oxygen into the space. It will collect the data for 2 years after achieving the orbit around the Mars in February 2021. The mission may extend till 2025. The launch from Tanegashima, Japan will happen in July 15th, 1:51 p.m. Pacific time, and it will launch on a Mitsubishi H-2A booster. The rocket isn't quite as famous as likes of SpaceX Falcon, but it does have a great launch history, with over 40 successful launches under its belt, mostly of Japanese satellite systems. The Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center will carry a live stream of the launch from Japan. If there is an opportunity for us to live stream, we will be also streaming the live launch of the UAE's mission from our website, from our YouTube channel. So if you really like the channel, please subscribe the channel if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon to get another interesting video.